Okay, in this video, this is a mathematical literacy and vocabulary that goes with the 6-1 notes on polygon angle sum theorems. So we have this word bank. Use a word from the list below to complete each sentence. So what we got. So a polygon that has an interior angle greater than 180 degrees, we call a concave polygon. And we talk about that in the student companion. But if we have, we draw a concave pentagon here. So here we have a concave pentagon. It's got 5 sides, it's a pentagon. There's a concave part. This angle here is bigger than 180 degrees. Now if we have a convex pentagon, which is the normal house type shape, all of these angles are less than 180 degrees. So concave polygon, an angle bigger than 180 degrees. Like this would be 180 degrees here. This is like 180 degrees plus another 40 or 50. So maybe 160 degrees, something, or 220 degrees, something like that. These angles are all going to be more like around 100, 110 degrees. So concave polygon. A polygon that has no interior angles greater than 180 degrees, we call a convex polygon. Concave, got a caved in place, convex. So number 3, a hexagon in which all angles measure 120. Now it's not talking about the size, just angles, so that makes it a regular. It really makes it equiangular polygon. That's an equiangular polygon. An octagon in which all angles measure 135 degrees and all sides are 6 centimeters long. Now this is getting at both ideas. It's got the equal angles and it's got the equal sides, so it's equiangular and equilateral. This is the regular idea. So that's going to be regular octagon. The best answer for number 3 is that it's an equiangular polygon. Now it might actually be that it's still going to be equisided, but if you only focus on the angles being equal, there's the equiangular idea. If it's only the sides, it would be equilateral. If it's both, it's regular. Number 5, an angle inside a polygon is called an interior angle. And then the other angles are the exterior angles. Let's look at number 6. Here we have a pentagon, but it's marked as being equilateral. It's got equal sides, so this is equilateral. Number 7, we have another polygon. It's a pentagon, just like this. Number 6 is a pentagon, but this pentagon has equal angles and equal sides. That makes it regular. Looking at number 8. Let's see, number 8. We have what looks like it could be a rectangle, but for sure we can see that we have 90-degree angles here. These 90s are all equal to each other, so it's equiangular. It's not equilateral for sure because these opposite sides are congruent, but not all sides are congruent. So it can't be regular. So it's equiangular. Over here, which type of angle is the angle labeled Y? It's an exterior angle. 60 is the interior. These are interior angles, exterior angle. These pairs, one at each angle, are always going to be supplementary. So we can see that Y is going to be 120 degrees if we needed to solve for it. Number 10, which figure is equiangular and equilateral? The square. Rhombus, equilateral. Rectangle, opposite sides are congruent and it's equiangular. It has angles of 90. Circle, no angles. But a square is the figure out of these that has all sides congruent and has all angles congruent.